Hello there, my name is Tom and welcome to the Newson Gale Earth-Rite 2 FIBC product overview video, our electrostatic grounding and monitoring system designed specifically for grounding and monitoring of flexible, intermediate, bulk container type C bags. 10 to the 8 and 10 to the 7 threshold options are available for different bag design types. Flexible bags can often deteriorate over time due to folding and general wear and tear. This means when operating with FIBC bags, the operator needs to take extra precaution to ensure when a ground connection is made to the bag that it has a path to the dissipative elements of that bag. In operation, the purpose-designed ground clamp is placed at the tab at the top of the bag next to any lifting handles, and a second earth monitoring clamp is placed on the tab in an opposing lower position of the bag. This intrinsically safe IA circuit establishes a ground monitoring resistance loop so that when the resistance threshold is below the required monitoring level, the grounding system will go permissive. A non-permissive state could indicate incorrect clamp placement, breakdown of the conductive yarns of the bag, or failure of the grounding tab. The clamp is connected by a Newson Gale Hytrol coated cable. Our Hytrol coating contains an anti-static additive suitable for hazardous areas, which provides protection against chemical attack and maintains the high strength required for repeatable operations. The cable comes complete with quick connectors, enabling an easy clamp or cable exchange by process operators where required. The Earth-Rite 2 FIBC provides a clear go, no-go visual indication through either a continuous high-intensity red LED for a non-grounded bag or 3 flashing high-intensity green LEDs indicating a path to ground lower than the system threshold. 10 to the 8 and 10 to the 7 threshold options are available for different bag design types. In addition to the visual indication, the Earth-Rite 2 FIBC provides volt-free dry contacts for interfacing into the process control if required. An optional intrinsically safe relay can be provided to control external intrinsically safe circuits. The Earth-Rite 2 FIBC is certified for ATEX, IECX or NEC and is supplied with a static dissipative GRP enclosure for Zone 2, 21 or Class 123 Div 2 areas. An EXD XP enclosure can also be supplied if required for Zone 1, 21 or Class 123 Div 1 areas. The unit is powered from either a 12, 24 volt DC power supply or 110 or 230 volt AC supply. In conclusion, the Earth-Rite 2 FIBC system, designed for flexible intermediate bulk container type C bags, offers the operator a safe grounding and monitoring solution. By correctly positioning the specially designed grounding clamps to the tabs of the bag, the system checks the bond to the ground path, significantly reducing the risk of electrostatic charge accumulation and any potential discharge. With clear visual indication, a range of resistance options and flexible power supply, the FIBC is an all-round solution for Type C bag applications. The system's provision of volt-free dry contacts allow for a seamless interface into the process control if required. To learn more, book a live online product demo, download our datasheet, or just get in touch with us today. Thank you very much for watching.